Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for today. It's Wednesday, June 2nd, and we're going to follow Kathy around to see what sold for us today.
Hey, friends. All right, let's just start over here.
But Reese's over here.
Yeah. All right. So A, B. These are some Olokai shoes that I got from the bins up in Denver. So part of the stimulus check challenge. So I had $1.54 into these, and they sold for $35 plus shipping on eBay. We are back to normal label, so the buyer did have to pay $9 to get those shipped to them. All right, and then
What do you mean by that?
like how we had 40 free labels.
Oh, I thought you just said this was eBay.
Did I?
I think you might have said eBay.
Oh, well, it's Facebook Marketplace.
That confused me. So yeah, Facebook Marketplace.
They paid $35 plus $9 shipping for these
Gotcha.
Olakais, which I'm really happy about because I actually just photographed 2 more pairs of those exact ones yesterday, and I plan to list them today. So if they both sell for that much, I'll be very happy. All right. Oh, so I think I sold like 3 pairs of shoes that are in these blue bags. So I might. Let's see. I grabbed them before we started, but I forgot. All right, so yeah, I sold 3 pairs that I pretty much just listed yesterday. So the ones that I first have here are these Crocs. So I got these. I averaged my cost of goods this day, so I do have $8.31 into these, and they sold for $28 with discount shipping on Poshmark. Let me just find the ones that were here. So these little Mickey Vans were my son's. I don't remember where I got them or what I bought them for, but sold them for $25 plus shipping on Facebook. And these, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but they're pretty rough. Like the rubber is pretty worn down. They're dirty, some fading, and yeah. So they still sold for $25. If they're in really good shape, I usually price them at $40 to $45. Right, and then these Adidas sold on Poshmark. I could not find any comps like on this color, really on this style, and so I listed them high. Like I saw some listed, I just didn't see any sold, so I listed mine at $79 because they're women's 10 and they were basically in like perfect condition.
Yeah.
So I did $79 and then I sent 20% off, so this buyer paid $63 with discount shipping, and I paid $10.99 for the shoes, so really good sale there. All right. Just anything else on this side of the room? I guess not. Which is probably good because I feel like most stuff over here and here is older stuff.
Yeah.
All right, so we did sell this Revere Wear pan. I think this was a 3-quart. It sold for $22.70 plus shipping. Picked this up for $4.99 at Goodwill. Top Shelf Cole Haan. Sold these guys on Poshmark. So I showed these in one of my recent hauls. I did pay up for them $14.99, but I thought it would be worth it, and it was. I probably could have got more if I held out, but I usually, if it's a good offer, I accept it. So somebody offered me $48. I think I had them listed pretty high at $79. Wasn't expecting to get $79. I was hoping for $50 to $60, so $48 was a good enough offer for me, and I accepted. So, alright, then we have one of the. I sold a jacket that was hanging. I love selling jackets in the summertime. Alright, this is a little kid's Rothschild. I don't know. I've sold 1 or 2 of these before. They don't usually go very fast, but they go for an okay amount for like a little kid's jacket. So it is like a wool blend coat. Picked this up at Goodwill for $6.99 and I sold it for $27.25 plus shipping on eBay.
It reminds me of like Matilda.
Yeah, like I think of just like a little girl walking down Times Square or something like in the middle of winter, where like it's a very heavy coat. So it's going to Chicago, which is also, I know, can get pretty cold, I think, in the winter. So yeah. Hopefully that little girl is very warm. All right, so BT. So these youth size Croc sandals. I did pay $6.99 for these at Goodwill. Sold them for $18.15 plus shipping on eBay. And then CO. You need to move your vacuum.
I do need to move that vacuum.
So this is the brand Skies Are Blue, so this was kind of something I bought before I really knew what I was doing. So I got this at Clothes Mentor for $4.58. That was my average cost of goods that day. And I just now, I think it's been like 2 years, just now sold it for $15 free shipping on Kidizen. So it is new with tag. I think the brand, it might be like in Stitch Fix. Tongue twister.
Stitch
Fix boxes or something. So yeah. I mean, that brand just really doesn't do that well for me in general. I found a couple pieces since, and those ones did sell, but not for much. So, like, I might grab it at the bins if it was new with tag, but otherwise I probably would not. Pick it up. Uh-oh. There's another pair of shoes in here.
Oh, no.
So these are little lady ones, too. Little baby stride rights. Sold for $12 plus shipping on Facebook. I listed them low because I thought they'd sell quickly around the $15 range, which 12 plus they paid like $3.75 ship. So probably could have got a couple of dollars more, but just not worth it for me to hold on to them for a couple extra dollars.
Right.
Oh gosh, there's like something else. I sold a lot of shoes I listed just yesterday, so not mad about it. I won't have to bag them. Well, I'll have to bag them for shipping, but not for putting away. So.
Honestly, searching through these bags takes less time than inventorying them at this point. If we had 50 bags like this, it would be different.
Yep.
So.
So these sold for $15 plus shipping on Facebook. These I had bought for my son, but even if I hadn't, I would have picked them up anyways at the Once Upon a Child. So I have $5.20 into them and sold them for $15 plus ship. If I put them on eBay or something, I would have listed them more like $20 to $22, and they still would have probably sold. So, all right, CC. This was a great sale.
Sarcasm?
No, it really was a great sale. So this was that Abercrombie dress. Like, the only reason I even bought this dress is because it was new with tag. It was like a wool blend, and it's like a holiday plaid. But I don't really do much dresses, and it was like strapless. I don't know. I just didn't know if it was cheap, so it was $4.89. I got it on a, I think, half off day at Goodwill, or maybe, I don't know. It was $4.89, so that's why I got it. And I listed it for $50 on Poshmark, and someone bought it full price. So
very nice.
I get $40 minus my cost of goods. So yeah, a really good sale. And I really didn't think it'd sell till winter, so even better that it sold now. And then DE. This was in our recent haul from the new thrift store. It's just a Mickey Ink vintage t-shirt. Sold for $13.60 plus shipping. I had $2.49 into this. BR. What you chewing on? Your own feet?
Reese's just over here doing some grooming. Reese. He doesn't like us cutting his nails, but he does it himself.
So this is a Polo Ralph Lauren Golf Polo. And it sold for $31.80 plus shipping on eBay. I have about $10 into that. Retail arbitrage. BN. This was an item I kind of worried that wasn't going to sell, but it sold fairly quickly for what it is. These are just some Under Armour basketball shoes, but when I purchased them, they were in the kids section, so I thought they were kids, but when I looked at the size tag a little better, a lot of times I don't look at the size tag at the thrift store. I'm trying to get better about that and like leave sizes that don't sell well for me, but when I bought these, I didn't really look at the size. So when I got home, found out they were women's, not kids, so I don't know. I just didn't think they'd sell well, but they did. So I paid $4.99 for them since they were in the kids section, and they sold for $27.25 plus shipping. I think this was eBay. Was this Poshmark? I always write like little codes on here, like PS means plus shipping, DS means discount shipping, and I can't tell if this is a P or an S, so I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, it wasn't a Poshmark label, so yeah, it was plus shipping. So it must have been an eBay sale. Sometimes I forget what stuff sold where. Okay, and then last but not least today, DL. This was another thing I really didn't think was gonna sell till fall. Doesn't look like I've even bagged it yet.
Oh, the Tin Man.
Yeah. So this guy sold on Mercari. Someone offered me $15 plus they're paying shipping, so I accepted. I got this from that estate sale for $2.65, but when I washed it, so I don't know if this happened because I washed it or if I just didn't notice it before I bought it, but the crotch kind of had like just the hem kind of came apart there, so obviously I showed close-ups and disclosed it, but yeah, I mean, most people are just going to wear a costume one time, so even if they don't repair it and just use it, it's still perfectly fine. So cute little Wizard of Oz, so $15 plus shipping. Kids' costumes can do pretty well, some of them. I'm pretty picky about it because I don't want to be stuck with them because they are kind of specific to usually Halloween or something, but if you ever find Pottery Barn, this is not Pottery Barn. I just thought this was cute, but yeah, if you find Pottery Barn costumes, I'd probably pick them up, or like, what is the other one? It's not like Firefly. I don't know. There's like another fancy brand of kids costumes. So yeah, I mean, check out kids costumes if you're looking at costumes. Some of them can be worth some good money. So
all right, we're gonna pack the stuff up and we'll be right back. All right, guys, got it all packed up. She's back there somewhere. So yeah, today was another Wednesday, and I guess we had a pretty decent day.
Yeah, Wednesday seemed pretty good. We only did a few more last night. So when we did the video, I did 20 listings. So
Oops, something fell.
I did 5 more last night, but I got all the other drafts to Chris, and he got those up for me. So I have 47 items waiting for me to list them. So he's about to go pick up Connor, and I'm going to stay here and list. I's taking a nap, so hopefully I can at least knock out another 20 today at the very least. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we mentioned it in our last video that Connor is in a STEM camp. So like, what is that? Science, technology, engineering, and math or something like that. I don't know. We're not smart. He's smart. So, but yeah, he's going to be there. Today's Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, which is basically school hours. So I got to go pick him up. It's 3 o'clock now. He's out at 3:30, except it's not at his school. It's at some other cool fancy school. So. Yeah, he's doing all kinds of fun stuff there. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this stuff off to the post office and go pick up Connor from camp. And I think that's it. That's all we have really going on today. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.